J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter helped me to get out of boredom. And tell me why, Jaden?
Because the story is good, and that Harry Potter is basically just mystery books. So then there's mystery, and so there's suspense, and then there's action. So basically that's also the story.
So why Jaden is not bored is because
and it's too.
he loves mystery, he loves energy, he loves suspense. And so when I read books too, I love all those characters that I find in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter. By reading the book or by watching the movie, Harry Potter, it brings you to a different world, a world of magic. So when we have a business, we can also dream big, dream of impossible things. And that's where I started too. I dreamed big. I came from the Philippines, a third world country, and coming to the USA, the land of milk and honey, I dreamed big. I didn't realize that I would be owning with my husband and I 67 apartment units. Is 67 apartment units? Can you imagine? I never dreamed of owning that. But by reading J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter, we start to imagine, to dream that it's possible. So my dear friends, if I can do it, I know you can do it too. So continue reading books and dreaming about big things in life. Because everything, if you put your heart and soul into it, if you believe in it, and put massive action into it, your dreams too will come true. My name is Ria, and your name is? Jaden, and we love to read books, and one of the books we love to read is J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter. And I wrote the book, Apartment Prescription, right there, Apartment Prescription. I'm Ria, I'm a family medicine physician and a geriatric physician. So if you want to know more about our books, come follow us on Facebook, Apartment Prescription.